Here's my Anicell filters and how to replace them. You get 3 different ones right here. So these two come together in a package. Whoops, didn't mean to drop it. And these ones just go right here like this. As you can see, they fit in there real nice. And then the canister goes right on top. Yeah, okay. Just like that. Snap those down. And then this one, it's this piece right here on front. Snap that out. Pull this one out, the old one. Put the new one in there. Just like that. Put its housing back on. Now all the filters are fully replaced. Let's get that back on there the correct way. And put the housing back on. Just like that. And you're good to go. Easy to replace your filters with the Anicell filters.